To use yarn as a stitch marker, you place it in between the last stitch of your first row and the next stitch of your second row. So basically you saw that I keep putting the piece of yarn from the front to the back and then to the front again. So I do one row of crochet, then I put my piece of yarn in between the last stitch of one row and the next stitch of another row, and I just keep doing that. As you can see here, I keep doing that until I'm finished or until I don't want to use this stitch marker anymore. So using a stitch marker makes it really easy to figure out which row you're on, but also where your row is starting, where your row is ending, and that's why I love using a stitch marker. So to count how your rows are, you can see that the start of my row will always be next to the stitch marker, and from there on you can just count your rows as you normally would. That's it.